Hi, I'm Danielle. I'm one of your Flik dietitians. Thanks for joining me today. We are making Moroccan quinoa, beet, and carrot salad. So it's a really simple grain and veggie salad. It's got lots of spices in it that'll help give it that Moroccan flair, as well as some fresh herbs and a bit of lemon. So lots of good flavors going on today. First, you want to prep your quinoa. I already did it just to save us some time, but all you need to do is 1 part of quinoa to 2 parts of water. You put it in a pot, you bring it to a simmer, cover it, simmer about 10 to 12 minutes just until all of the quinoa absorbs the moisture, and then it's easy. So I did mine this morning. It's cool and refrigerated and ready to use. But the dressing for this salad is really simple. It's honey, canola oil, and then a ton of spices, and then some fresh herbs. So I'm gonna go ahead. I already read through the recipe, which is always a good idea. And I know that it's all gonna go into 1 bowl. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this large bowl to whisk up my dressing. All right, so next to my dressing, I'm going to chop and add some fresh herbs. I have parsley and I have mint, which let me do like a close-up here for you. This is actually really exciting. We harvested it in our farm shelf units, which are these hydroponic growing units that live right inside of our cafe. So I harvested these yesterday. The beets and the carrots, I'm going to actually just peel with a veggie peeler, and then I'm going to grate them on a box grater. All right, so I did grate the carrots and the beets. I'm going to go ahead and add this to my dressing. I really only needed about a ½ cup of each. I ended up with about 3/4 of a cup of each, but again, the more veggies, the better. And then I'll go ahead and add my quinoa that I cooked this morning. But all I have to do is toss this, which I don't love a whisk for tossing, but let me see. Oh my goodness, it's actually really beautiful. So you could choose red quinoa or tricolor quinoa. I specifically chose white quinoa when I was at the grocery store yesterday because I knew it would look so nice with the, you have the bright green and you have the orange and you have the bright beet. So I am really excited to taste this. You're gonna like this.